Descriptive writing. Descriptive writing uses diction, or word choice, that appeals to the five senses, words that describe sounds, feelings, textures, tastes, colors, and smells, maybe not all at once. This type of writing appears in novels, stories, and poems, maybe a bit more than in nonfiction, but it is certainly used in articles and essays as well, just in a different way. There are two types of descriptive writing, objective and subjective. Objective description is when there is just facts about the appearance of something and very little of the author's opinion. Scientific or documentary journalism uses this type of description a lot. For example, in a lab report, if you're describing what you see under a microscope, you have to be exact. You can't be metaphorical, poetic, and create mood and tone here. You've got to just say what's happening under the microscope. Whereas subjective description is what allows for more of the author's idea to enter the page. This is where mood and tone are found. Writers can use sense words to show how they feel about something and to guide the reader's emotional response to the writing. This is used in stories, novels, and poems. Subjective descriptive writing is where metaphor, imagery, symbolism, and other figurative language and literary devices can be used very effectively. These words and devices can be used to show not just the description of things in terms of how they look, but also reveal the mood and tone and the author's opinion, and atmosphere as well. There's a reason why Dracula's castle is described as dusty, ancient, gloomy, and haunted, but we never learn about the type of stone or architectural style. A feeling is being created beyond a basic physical description of a castle. Objective descriptive writing uses adjectives and color words, but will probably depend less on figurative language and literary devices, as these things are more subjective in any case. This type of description is when a writer would describe Dracula's castle in terms of the type of stone used and how it's cut, and the architectural style, what period it comes from, all of these things which are verifiable by research, rather than focus on how creepy the place is and why it has tons of dust, locked rooms, and no mirrors. The mood and tone matter less than factual accuracy in an objective description. So, as a writer, you can choose the type of description you want to use depending on the type of writing you're doing. For a research report, you're more likely to use objective description to impress your reader with your factual knowledge. In a story, you will likely use a more subjective description, drawing your reader in with descriptions that help create character, mood, tone, and atmosphere. That's the basics. Not too bad, is it? And as you study it in class, you'll see examples, and you'll get to practice on your own. Good luck!